OGMamaThug, aka Natural Nessa. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So I'm back with another video. We're gonna get up into it. So basically, I will be going to a silent Ratchet R&B party tonight. So I'm excited, and I'm going with Lachey, aka Tamira. Well, aka that is her name, Tamira, but I call her Lachey. But I'm going out with her tonight. We're gonna be reunited, and yeah, y'all will just learn more as the video progresses. She is on her way to come and get me. So yeah, I will see y'all when I get in the car and we get rolling to the litness of the night, okay? Because we finna be lit. So I was so excited to see her that I forgot to fucking record when I got in the car. But either way, here she is. She's pulling up into the spot. We found a parking spot. We parked over there, but then we found a closer spot, so she's actually about to pull in. This is me standing in the parking spot, making sure nobody takes it. She's pulling up, and then yeah, I'm gonna get her on the camera, and there we go. The video is gonna begin. Bow. Okay, y'all, so I keep forgetting to introduce Tamira because look, we are catching up, but she's here. She's getting us drinks, and we made it. We had our headphones, and it's lit up in here, as you can see. We lit, so yeah. Pick a station and you lit. But yeah, y'all see the shit. Hey, we lit. We lit. Hey, we lit. Look at her. She's so cute. Hey, it's fucking lit. Hey, you missing out if you chose not to fucking come. Especially if I invited you to come. Y'all bad. Maybe next time.
on the other station. So I'm listening to Beyonce. We like to party. Hey, and then they're listening to, hold on, let me switch it. They're listening to Hands on Your Knees. And Halle Berry, that's what they listening to. So y'all see what's going on? It's a battle. It's a matter of what is your vibe, okay? I was trying not to cuss. Oh shit, they changed it. What'd you say? I was about to let them know that we was on the same station because I was just talking shit and told them like everybody was on a different station. But then she was on Beyonce, now they switched it. Change your station. gonna hear both people singing both stations. This shit is lit. It's a party. It's a party. It's a party. Hey, hey. I'm lit. I'm lit. We lit.
See, the night was lit. These are pictures from the night, so check them out. I recommend you try to go to a silent party. It's a dope experience. And if you want the information for the next one coming up, there is one coming. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and then you can message me and I'll give you the information. See y'all.